In Wayanad Nenmeni grama panchayat, local people said on Friday morning that they heard some booming noise from under the earth and felt tremors, triggering speculations that it may have been an earthquake. This happened around 11 am in the day. Authorities have advised people to evacuate as part of precautionary measures. People at Kurchyarmala, Pinangode, Moricap, Ambukuthimala and Edakkal have been asked to move away from their areas. Tremors were experienced at many houses. Roof sheets came down and walls of houses cracked. Locals said the loud noise was heard in areas within a radius of 15 kilometers. Revenue department officials have reached the area for examination. Functioning of schools and other educational institutions were suspended. Amidst the evacuations at some of the wards in Nenmeni grama panchayat, the State Emergency Operations Center issued an update saying that there is no indication of any movement according to seismic records. As of now, seismic records do not show any indications of movement, informed the State Emergency Operations Center. Regarding the sound heard in Wayanad Pududana region, we are examining seismic records and also attempting local reconnaissance to find if anything is anomalous, the State Emergency Operations Center stated. Vaitiri revenue authorities have reportedly asked the residents to temporarily vacate the area. Village officers have been asked to rush to the site and monitor further developments. Panchayat representatives said they were told about a loud sound being heard. A report quoting Sajish Janpi, Assistant Professor at the Department of Agricultural Meteorology, Regional Agricultural Research Station, Ambalavale said, many of the employees had alerted the office about a booming sound and vehicles parked on the campus started sounding alarm. He and those nearby also felt a vibration and heard a sound. A whistling sound was also reportedly heard at Edakkal 19 near the Edakkal caves on the lap of. A later report said similar sounds were also heard at Kodaranyi in Kozhikode. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.